Meron kami ngayon yung Changi A6 na 1.5 liter Elite Manual, yung aming sedan from Changi po. Yeah, kung naghahanap po kayo ng full-size sedan na offers all power, tapos good-looking na sasakyan, pwede po itong ating Changi A6. Since it's a sedan, 5-seater po siya. Ang engine po natin is 1.5 liters and manual transmission. Tapos all power na po yung sasakyan. Malaking trunk space and also maganda po yung ano niya sa loob, mga features po niya. So digital cluster, touchscreen monitor. Tapos yung seats po natin is fabric pero meron po siyang orange trimmings. Tapos power steering na rin po siya. Malamig yung aircon. Tapos push start button po yung sasakyan. Whether gagamitin mo for daily use or let's say weekend car. So wala po siya, basta maganda po yung sasakyan. Yeah, right now naka-promo po yung ating unit. It's 30K all-in down payment. Plus on top of that, meron siyang free 6 months amortization. So meaning mag-i-start pa po kayo maghulog on the 7th month. And on top of that also rin, meron po siyang binibigay na free Laos Group Cares 24/7 roadside assistance for 1 year. So free po yun na binibigay na. Kung gusto nyo po makita yung unit, it's available here at our showroom, Haima, Pampanga, located along Jose Abad Santos Highway in San Fernando, Pampanga po. Or you could visit our Facebook page, Haima, Pampanga, or you can call my number 0918-854-2215.